Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to discuss under the five kingdom system of biological classification, which was given by R.H. Whittaker. On the third kingdom system, fungi. Kingdom fungi. The fungi are non-green plants like heterotrophic organisms. Due to absence of chlorophyll in these plant-like structures, they are cut off from the kingdom Plantae and evolved with a new kingdom fungi. Let us talk about fungi. Students, in modern today, if we are talking about the fungi, about more than 1200 species of fungi have been disclosed. The fungi are multicellular filamentous except the yeast. Yeast is a unicellular form of fungi. Either it forms colonies but stay remain in the unicellular form. Except yeast, all other fungi are multicellular and filamentous in structure. Some fungi are heterotrophic of saprophytic type that feed upon the dead and decaying organic and inorganic matter of plants and animals. Such fungi are known as sapromycetes. If we are taking an example of saprophytes or sapromycetes, then rhizopus, mucor, or the albugo are the best example of saprophytes. Some fungi feed upon, or you can say that take their nutrition from the living plant body that are called parasites. If we are taking the example of parasites, then Aspergillus is the best example of such kind of fungi that are found on the body of the plant barks and take their nutrition. Some fungi are also live as obligate parasite. It means time to time they changes their host to obtain the nutrition. Such fungi are called obligate fungi. The few fungi are also known as copromycetes. It means they grow upon or germinated on the decaying cow dung, matter of cow dung, or you can say that they grow on the cow dungs. Such fungi are also known as copromycetes. Now students, what are the general characteristics of fungi? How we can observe these are the fungi or not except the presence of chlorophyll. Many more fungi are also found that are edible. Such common example of edible fungi is mushroom agaricus. And some fungi also helps in obtaining the antibiotics. If we are taking the example of such fungi is penicillium. Penicillium, as you all of you know that penicillin was the first wonderful antibiotic that was discovered by the Edward Jenner. That's why Edward Jenner is also regarded as the father of antibiotic. Now students, come on our topic, general characteristics of fungi. Characteristics of fungi. Fungi are heterotrophic in nature. Heterotrophic. Mostly multicellular. Except yeast, because yeast are found in unicellular form, that are also known as Saccharomyces due to formation of starch. The multicellular fungi are filamentous, and they have the filaments like structure called mycelium. When the mycelium get more branched, or you can say that when the mycelium forms network, then that is called hyphae. And when the hyphae attain the fruiting bodies or fruiting spores like structure, that is led by the columella stage. It means it is the stage of growing or bearing fruits like structure, that is called coenotypic phase. What? Coenotypic phase of fungi. Next, fungi perform sexual as well as asexual mode of reproduction. Asexually by budding, vegetatively, by applanospores, whereas sexually by making gametes, by forming or bearing, you can say that gametes. Let us taking some example of gametes. Ascospores, basidiospores, and some species of fungi are just like, which does not confer what type of reproduction they take place. Such fungi are said to be imperfect fungi, like Deuteromycetes. Thus, students, these are the some particular characteristics of fungi. The food they stores in the form of iron droplets like structures as well as glycogen. What is the stored or reserved food of the fungi? Reserved food of fungi are glycogen and the iron droplets like structure, that are lipids. One thing more taken as important characteristics of fungi is that the cell wall of fungi is consist of chitin protein. Chitin, it is a kind of protein, dermal protein, and polysaccharides. Thus, students, these are the particular general characteristics of the fungi. Now, we are discussing about the classification of fungi. Classification of on the basis of mode of nutrition, reproduction, and bearing the fruiting bodies, the fungi are classified into following 4 classes. What are these? Let us take here the 4 classes. First, Phycomycetes. Second is Ascomycetes. The third is Basidiomycetes. And Phycomycetes, Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes, and Deuteromycetes. Students, the Phycomycetes are the kinds of fungi which are almost aquatic but Some of them also found on the bark of living plants or trees. If you are taking the example of Phytomycetes, then Rhizopus is the best example of such kind of fungi. You can take also Mucor as example. Second is Ascomycetes. Such fungi bears ascospores. Bears a sac-like structure in their gametosporangia, that is called ascus. And due to presence of ascus, when bears get mature and bears after bearing the fruiting body get mature, the spores having collar-like structure, that's why called ascospores. They perform the process of sexual reproduction by their spores by the fusion of two isogamous spores to form the zygote. The process of life cycle in fungi is completed into mainly three phases. First of all, the process of plasmogamy takes place, in which the cytoplasmic transfer of gametes take place. The second one is fusion, just like the fertilization, and the third is meiosis. Meiosis is still important for the reduction of the diploid nucleic material of these spores, so that the process of fertilization, or you can say that fusion of gamete, can be continued to bear the own kind of species. These are the three important steps that take place in the life cycle of the fungi. Ascomycetes, if you are taking the example of Ascomycetes, then Aspergillus is the best example of Ascomycetes. Next, Basidiomycetes. It is also the common form of Basidiomycetes. They are commonly called puffballs or agaricus or mushroom. Mushroom is the best example of Basidiomycetes. Its biological name is agaricus. It is edible, and we are use it as edible fungi, mushroom, agaricus. The Basidiomycetes is usually a parasitic type of fungi which grow upon the dead and decaying organic matter of animals as well as plants. They are used as eating purposes and also used for the process of fermentation of many kinds of substances. Basidospores are the most common and particular characteristics of the Basidiomycetes. The Basidium spores are formed and they also shows the sexual mode of reproduction by the fusion of basidospores. Next is Deuteromycetes. As the term Deutero, it means it is unidentified form of a fungi that has common characteristics close to the Plantae, kingdom Plantae, as well as the fungi. That's why the Deuteromycetes are also known as imperfect fungi. What? Imperfect fungi. Trichoderma is the best example of such fungi. Why it is called imperfect fungi? Because it neither perform the sexual mode of reproduction nor perform the asexual mode of reproduction. It eventually get fragmented, and such fragments during the time of favorable condition bears the new individuals. The spores of fragmented part is spread everywhere. That's why the fungi are also known for this feature, cosmopolitan. It means they are found everywhere, in air, in water, on soil, on the dead and decaying organic and inorganic matter. Thus, students, this is the comparative study about the kingdom fungi. In next lecture, we are studying about the kingdom Plantae. Thanks for joining today's lecture.